Hello out there. My name is Carmen Esposito, and I have been in the Italian gelato ice cream business for over 40 years. Now I'm going to let you in on the good news. The good news is that we've taken all that information, expertise, and knowledge and put it on a video and a training manual, which is second to none. It will teach you everything that you need to know about the business. It will teach you where to get your equipment. It will give you the very, very best recipes. You don't have to struggle to figure out how to make the ice. It will tell you where to get the equipment, supplies, suppliers, everything, just about everything that you're going to need to know. And besides that, I'm going to offer myself as your consultant, because over the time that you're learning how to make the Italian ice, you're going to have times of questions. So I make myself available to you. We all have cell phones, and you can give me a call. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I'm going to teach you not only how to make fabulous water ice, but how to keep that Italian ice smooth and creamy from morning till night, day after day, through the entire season, which makes you brings customers back and will make you bundles of money. The worst thing you can do is make poor water ice at the beginning and turn your customers off. You have to start out with a gold standard. So you got to get this video. You need to get this video. GelatoItalianIce.com. If I didn't say it before, you can reach me. You can call me and ask any questions. So as I said, all you need to know to get you started and not waste money and have a very successful Italian ice cream or gelato business. Get this video.